Oh, come on!
What is up, guys? Jared here, Cold Vision Outdoors. We are out in another afternoon duck hunt in my favorite swamp. I brought my buddy Bob Tuttle with me. He is an avid outdoorsman, but he has never been duck hunting. So I'm going to take him out with me today, just me and him, and kind of show him the ropes, see if we can get into some ducks. It's kind of hit or miss out here lately, but we've got a cold front coming in. You guys that live in Minnesota, you know we've got snow coming in this week, and I'm hoping that it's pushed some birds down. We're going to see today, hopefully. But stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Definitely helps me out, helps me produce more of these videos, and you're not going to want to miss this, so stay tuned. Yep, we're good. Alright, now let's go back into the decoy spread. We're going to put this other one.
We had wind blowing from the north, so we set up on the north side and we put a J pattern of our decoys. We put the spinners out towards the end of the decoy pattern, looking as though they're flying into the landing zone. We left plenty of landing zone for the ducks. We had a couple of motion decoys in our pattern, and it really turned out well for us. It was pretty much the perfect setup.
Right, should be able to walk there. Yep. Yep. There's something in there. Yeah. Whoa. Did you go through? There we go. Can you get out? The best thing to do, I would say, is push up on the canoe with one and then pull up with the other. Yeah. And then try to get up on the more stable. First quicksand. Looky here. Here we go. Right over the back of us. Probably should have let them come back in through the front. That's alright. That's alright. At least we're getting shots. There's one that landed. Huh? Yeah. There's one coming right there. Oh, it's in the weeds. Did you see it? There it is. There's another one. I gotta get some more bullets. Yeah. I'm getting down to it. You can't tell anyone about what just happened. There's one right there coming around. Look at him. Look at this one. Come back around, dude. Give me a shot.
I'm going to show you what we did with one of the teal. Put a little EVOO in the bottom of a frying pan. I turned the heat to medium and let that oil heat up a little bit. I salt and pepper my duck breasts before I fry them in a pan like this, but I also use this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. and it really kind of brings out the flavor of the duck. You can use whatever you like. This is just the way I do it. This is another flavoring I use on my duck breast. It's called garlic seasoning, and it's actually made in Alexandria, Minnesota, but I use it on my grouse, and I also like to use it on my duck breast. So again, use whatever seasoning you like, but for morning duck, this is what I like. The trick to cooking good duck is simple. Don't overcook it. Medium or medium rare is the best way to cook duck. This is what the duck breast should look like after you flip it. I give them about 2 minutes on each side, and that's on medium heat. I went ahead and added a couple fried eggs in. It's breakfast, and teal goes delicious with a couple of fried eggs. I hope you guys like this short little recipe on how to cook some fresh teal breast meat. And this is what it should look like when it's done, and it was delicious. Thanks for tuning in.